Wowie.
Oh, diolch, Maria.
Bert hefyd.
When I was a merch fach, I always wanted to be called Nia Maria.
Nia Maria.
So, yn yr ysgol, they used to call me Nia Maria.
Do you know what I fancy? I fancy a bach o nodyn Nia.
Oh, ardderchog, nodyn iaith Nia. Right, do you know what I fancy? Pinning down something that you get wrong. Trwy'r amser.
What do I get wrong?
Mewn.
Mewn.
Always the wrong way round.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Felly, okay, means in.
In.
Right? So, very often it's followed by the word the. So, for example, yn y car.
Yn y car.
In the car.
Yn y tŷ.
Yn y tŷ. In the house. Neu in a place, like yn Abertawe.
Yn Abertawe.
Yeah?
Okay.
So remember, in, 2 letters, yn, 2 letters. They sound very similar.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Mewn ydi...
Same thing, innit?
In a.
In a.
Iawn. So ti'n gweld y gwahaniaeth yn Saesneg, right? Think now, okay?
Yeah.
Yn y cinema.
In the cinema.
Yeah. Mewn cinema.
In a cinema.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ti'n gweld?
They're in the cinema.
Specific,
they're in a
non-specific.
cinema.
Yn union.
Somewhere.
Any old
Oh,
cinema.
okay.
Right? Dwi'n gwybod. Beth nawn ni, right?
Okay.
Cofio idiom bach. It's very often easier to remember like a little idiom.
Your idioms are crazy.
Think about like, ooh, mewn munud.
Mewn munud. Okay.
So, shout like this. Na nia mewn munud.
Na nia mewn munud.
Okay, so mewn munud, in a minute. Iawn. In a minute. So you'll
a
always remember
minute.
that mewn means in a.
In a.
Mewn munud.
Na
Mat,
nia.
dyma.
Na nia mewn munud. Fi yn y bath.
Da iawn!
We don't live together, but that's an example of what I would say.
Yn union.
Yeah. We don't know.
Mewn. This is going to help you remember, okay?
You doing this?
Right, go like this, right? Think about somebody and dod o Lerpwl. Somebody comes from Liverpool, iawn?
Lerpwl.
And they go, ei, ei, ei. So, they always go, ei, mewn. Ei, mewn.
Ei?
Ei, mewn.
That doesn't make any sense. Stop what you're doing.
No, it will help, okay? Ei, mewn.
Ei, mewn.
Right, ei, you,
Calm
get
down.
in. Ei, mewn.
Ei, mewn.
Ei, mewn.
Ei, mewn.
So, mewn is always in a.
In a.
Ei, mewn.
Okay.
Mae gen I syniad.
Beth.
Dwi'n mynd i wneud gwenyn geirfa
Yeah.
with a few mewns and uns. Quick fire.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah, let's go.
Barod.
In the car.
Yn y car.
Da iawn. In a car.
Mewn car.
Don't be
Mewn car.
frightened.
I'm scared. I'm really scared. Mewn car.
Da iawn.
She does get quite aggressive off screen.
In the bath.
Yn y bath.
In a bath.
Mewn bath.
Da iawn. In the book.
Yn y book. Yn.
Yeah, what's book in Welsh?
Oh, yeah. Yn y llyfr.
Da iawn, we've got that bit right.
All right, we should concentrate on that a little bit.
In a book.
Mewn llyfr.
Da iawn, okay. In a tis.
In a tiz, that's exactly what I mean.
Exactly.
Mewn tiz. Oh.
Da iawn. It's a good job it's time for an egwyl.
Ei?
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 Dewch nôl, mewn, munud. Ei?
Mewn. Ei?
Pan fydd Lisa Gwilym yma? Ei?